Hi friends, welcome to another scenery drawing. So this is a pencil drawing. Please watch the whole video so you can learn or copy this one. This is a very simple drawing. I haven't complicated it. So what initially I'm doing is some bamboos on the front left side of the paper. So it gives a character to the drawing. So the main components of these drawings are the bamboo and the house. So when I drew this one, I kept in mind an age group of maybe 10 to 16 years old, who are like beginners who want to draw and learn by creating textures or pencil drawings. This is just a pencil drawing, so you can actually go one step ahead and maybe use color pencils or crayons or sketch pens to give color to this drawing. So what you are seeing is just some bamboos and leaves, like a grass in the front left side of the scenery, and then towards the back we have a small island, and then I'll be drawing a house there. So currently I'm just giving those lines to the bamboo. It took me almost like 20 minutes to make this drawing, and then I just, for the sake of reducing the length, I have just speeded it up. So I just speeded it up. That's how you say it, right? Anyway, yeah, so those are some leaves they're drawing. So there's a story line behind this drawing. So it's a family. They had to actually go out of the village because they had issues with the business they were running in the village, and they moved towards a very lonely place to restart their life. So they went to this area. This is very near to like a forest area, and this is like a small island. So they built a small house, like a hut there. So the intention behind this house was they could do some fishing to find food, and also they could collect bamboos and sell it in the village to have a livelihood. So when you look at this drawing, you can see there are a lot of bamboo trees on the side, and towards that's a forest area, and then the house is in an island. So whenever you do drawings, so what I think is you need to have a storyline for the drawing. You have to be creative. So I'm making this drawing in a way, I am imagining about this particular scenario. This is this location, and then there's a storyline behind it, and then as you draw it, it makes more sense to you. It makes your drawing more creative in a way. If you agree to that, yeah, please give us a thumbs up or let me know in the comments below that you like to draw it. So that's how I get my motivation. So I believe you also like to draw sceneries, and when you draw sceneries, that's a very good way of thinking. So for example, from any part of the world you are, you just go out, go for a walk, look for motivations around you. You will find a lot of beautiful sceneries in an artistic way. So you have to look like an artist, and when you look through that eyes, you will definitely see a lot of opportunities when it comes to artwork or creativity, and then capture that moment in your mind and try to portray it on a paper. Yeah, most of my drawings will have mountains and all of those because I love those combinations when it comes to a pencil drawing. Yeah, sure. You can use this drawing maybe for drawing competitions in your school. I'm sure you can improvise it. You can take it to the next level by giving it more of a character. You can also add people into this drawing, like maybe you can add a boy or a girl doing some fishing, for example, on the island. All right. Yeah, I actually have added a small boat in the river. As I progress through the drawing, you will be able to see that. So give your thoughts in the comments below about what type of drawings you want me to draw, sceneries. If you want me to draw a specific cultural related scenery or any drawings you wish, if you put it in the comments below, I will definitely respond to your comments and I will make those drawings for you. So I'm very passionate and I love making drawings, and I want people to, especially kids at the age group of whatever age group they are, but if they're going to school and they're doing drawing competitions and stuff like that, they if they're looking for some motivation in terms of drawing, they can do this, and you will get better at your drawing as you keep doing something. You have to believe in yourself. When you make a drawing, then maybe people will come and say, what is this, it doesn't look good. Yeah, probably it doesn't look good for them, but you have to believe in yourself. As you do again and again, you will learn new type of skill sets in drawing. You will improve the way you draw lines, you improve the textures or shading, and as you go through that journey, your drawing will get better every day. So I truly believe in the capability of improving on a daily basis. For example, every day it should be a progress, right? So don't aim for perfection, just aim for progress. So if you aim for progress, every day you have to do something different. You have to do something better than the previous day, and things will get better. That's what I believe. Right. So yeah, the type of paper I'm using is just like a normal A4 sheet paper. Uh, the normal HB pencils, different shades, you will be able to get. I'm also planning to maybe use some color pencils to give a character to these sceneries. Maybe next time I might try a different color pencil. Maybe color them and see how different they will be. Will they be more beautiful? I am not sure, but we can give it a try. Yeah, that's why you have to experiment. You have to just be creative about it. Yeah, might turn out to be not that what you were expecting, but yeah, that's all right. It can happen, eh? So just take a sheet of paper, just draw drawings, look into YouTube, look for motivation around you. You can even start from drawing just a leaf. Just start drawing and even motivate your kids to do the same. So now when I did my first drawing competitions, I was not good at drawing. I didn't get any prize, but down the line after 2 or 3 years, I get better in drawing because I used to draw a lot. I'm not saying this drawing is one of the best. I'm just saying this is like a basic one for students, for them to get motivated, and they can see, oh, I can draw this one. Yeah, I show this to my son and he can draw this one. So that's the whole intention behind this drawing. So if you like this, please give us a comment, share your opinion, and subscribe to us for more similar sceneries. Thanks for watching and enjoy. Please make sure that if you like this video or this channel, share it with your friends as well. Have a good day. Take care.